No Chevrolet SS was hurt in the process of making this video. So I am beginning the tuning process. It's clearing any codes or looking for any DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes. To enter programmer mode, press Y. Checking status, waiting. Yeah, normally the car will light up like a Christmas tree, so that's totally normal. To install custom tuning, press Y. Install custom tuning, pressing Y. Reading in process. Do not disturb connection or cable. And there it goes. Listen to that car. It is just lighting up like a Christmas tree, making all kinds of dinging sounds. Don't you worry, it's normal. So it'll take a few minutes to get through this part. As you can see, it's doing the read now. So I'm just waiting for the tune to finish. We're about 50% halfway through. Shout out to Livernois Motorsports. I literally just sent them the profile of the car. I just literally sent that to them yesterday, late morning. And I just got the tune on my lunch break. I'm loading it up now as we speak. Yeah, it's like waking up Frankenstein. Now what this tune I got is called the Aggressive Plus 93 Octane tune. It is a tune for the transmission response, throttle response, shift points are supposed to feel firmer. With my current setup, which is the, it's the car stock, it does have deleted secondary cat, and then I installed a Roto-Fab cold air intake, and that's it. So based on those mods, the claims I'm hearing is anywhere in the high 30s extra horsepower, so 35-ish horsepower, with about the same amount of torque, maybe a little more. I may be going to a dyno with some other SS drivers and owners in a few weeks, so maybe I'll hopefully see what the numbers really are on this particular car and share that with you guys at a later time. So I'm excited. I feel like a kid opening a gift up on Christmas Day. I'm seeing some more changes. Ooh, there we go. So it's loading the custom tune that I ordered, which is the Aggressive Plus, into the car itself. This step may take several minutes. So literally the process of going from 0% to about 100% to programming process to where we are now was about, gosh, wasn't that long, maybe 5 minutes. Now we're in the write mode, writing 8%, 9%, 10%, and climbing. Well, what made me choose this tune in the first place was all the feedback on the SS forums. So shout out to all the SS owners there for sharing some insight into this tune. Of course, Livernois Motorsports, who's on the forums as well, providing some Q&A in those conversations there online. And the feedback so far from the customers has been overwhelmingly positive. I have a friend who has an SS locally. Actually, a couple friends that have them locally that have the same tune or have used them and absolutely love it. It changes the car. They say this is the way the car should have felt to them stock, because many of us do believe the car was detuned. So loud. Hold on, excuse me. The car was detuned. The car was detuned maybe for the purpose of marketing against, their higher end performance cars. Oh my God, I don't know the reason why it was detuned, because the same engine in the 5th gen Corvette, the previous generation Corvette and the 5th gen Camaro both had LS3s, and those were advertised at 430 some odd horsepower, maybe more, and this one detuned down to 415. I do know that replacing the intake with whether it's an over-the-radiator model or the Roto-Fab like I have, increases horsepower a little bit, maybe a 10 horsepower gain, give or take. Not much you can feel, but brings the car up to 425, with no tune. Now with the tune, I should be closer to 450-ish. Yeah. Programming in process. Do not turn vehicle off. Don't disturb it. Yeah. This has been about another 5 minutes, so about 10 minutes in or so. Turn key to the off position and press Y. So I turned it off, pressing Y. Please wait. Turn key to the run or press start button. 6 seconds, but do not crank engine. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000. Please wait. Communicating with vehicle. Please wait. Custom tuning installed. To end, press Y and then plug cable. Did you see that? Custom tuning installed. To end, press Y and then plug cable. Haha, we're done. All right, so the tune is installed. I got a few minutes before I got to get back to work. Let's go on a brief test drive. All right, the car started up fine. Oh, wow, okay. Yeah, that's a different shift. That felt different right away. I went from second to third and it was quick compared to stock. You know, in stock there's always that noticeable slippage, whether you're in auto mode or if you're manually shifting. Oh yeah, that's better. Oh yeah, that's better, much better. Oh, there it is. From second to third. Holy shit, when you really get on it just a little more, you can, oh man, that throttle response, damn. I know you can't see my face right now that well, but holy shit. Wow. Now it, oh, yeah. Oh, that throttle response feels better. Feels much better. Oh man, the shift from second to third and third to fourth. Now I'm not even getting on it. I'm just driving normal for me. So yeah, that feels good. Now this is the way the car should have come from the factory. Like this, with this tune. Yes. Fourth gear, third gear, fourth, fifth. Wow, that thing just shifts so fast. All right, it's the next morning with the red SS. Yeah, this thing shifts quick. Ooh, that shifts quick. Man, I just can't get over that. Oh, third to fourth is so fast. Oh my. Yeah, when this thing gets going, geez, this car is a different beast. Downshifts are pretty cool. They always were cool, but it's less slippage, which is nice. Definitely less slippage on the upshifts. Third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear. Nice. Nice. So much better. So much better, guys. The transitions between gears are so much more sharper. They're much sharper, but they're not jarring. As you noticed, I wasn't, you know? It's just the way I feel like it should have been from the factory. That's just my opinion. What are your thoughts on that if you're an SS driver, SS owner? But yeah, the Livernois 93 octane aggressive plus tuned on this car really changes things. I think it's amazing how much more of that power comes through with this tune. So much better than stock. So in a few weeks, I hope to get this car to a dyno to really see what the numbers truly are, and we'll see if it's really close to that 440, 450 horsepower range and torque. There'll definitely be some video. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you like this video, please leave some comments so I can continue producing more content for you guys to enjoy. Thanks for watching and take care.